I enjoy Gatorade, but I'm gonna try it in powder form. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you like Gatorade, you know, I do something to hydrate myself up, get myself back in the game. You know what I'm saying? It is a pretty tasty drink. Powerade, some of the other ones too. Gatorade is not a sponsor here. I paid good money for this little bottle here. But one of the things that I realized is that Gatorade sells this Thirst Quencher powder, and they come in these big packets here. They kind of remind me of like cappuccino packets. But what's interesting about this is that this would be a lot easier to travel with. I could take it with me on trips. The next time I go to Arizona, I wouldn't necessarily have to run out to the grocery store and pick up some drinks. I could just take a big box of these. In fact, I picked up a box of these. I think they were 30 for like 18 or 19 bucks, something like that. So actually a pretty good value. But what I wanted to see here is if I could turn this into this and it actually tastes a little bit like Gatorade. I will tell you what, I'm actually expecting this to actually taste pretty good because I don't know. I feel like they would just make Gatorade from powder in their facilities anyway. So this package right here, even though it's pretty big, only makes 16.9 fluid ounces recommended. So what I have done is I've gone ahead and measured out 16.9 fluid ounces right there. I put it in here. Obviously you can't see what's going on in that Nalgene bottle too well. So I'm going to use my little shaker cup here. It says tear here, which I really like the fact that I don't need any potential tools. Oh yeah, all right, to do this. You know, you don't want to get out there and die of thirst just because you don't have a knife or scissors. Okay, so there's the powder. This is obviously going to be orange as it says down there, but in my package it did come with some of the green and the yellow as well. So we get a bunch of powder down there, and now I'm going to add the 16.9 fluid ounces right here. Ooh, looks like Tang. Actually, it's kind of a lot of water. That's actually pretty good. Okay, so obviously we got some crystals down the bottom here, and I'm going to go ahead and just stir it up. Oh yeah, stir it up. I think that's all I have to do. That was actually pretty quick. This is just room temperature water. It's been sitting out for hours now, and all of that is dissolved, so it dissolves very quickly. I was kind of worried about having big granules in there. It looks like Gatorade. I mean, not like this pink Gatorade, but it smells like Gatorade, so that's 2 qualities down. And it tastes just like Gatorade. I tell you what, I'm really impressed with that. No chunks of powder or anything in there. It tastes just like Gatorade. If I were just to give this to you and not tell you it came from a powder, I don't think you would know. Refreshing, rehydrating. Gets you back in the game, recharges that internal battery. Go ahead and climb that 14er out in Colorado, because now you can take Gatorade with you wherever you go in powder form. This is great for traveling, being in an airport, having a few in your survival or bug out bag. Put a couple of these in your carry-on luggage so when you get to your destination, you can have a refreshing, cool drink when you get there. Hey, if you want to pick up Gatorade powder, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.